Alright guys, just finished up this Chevrolet High Country. Did the 6-inch zone lift, 2212 TIS, 547s, 325 5022 Nitto trails. Now we do have a special running on this zone lift right now. If you're not familiar with zone, they're a division of BDS and Fox. This lift out the door is $19.99. That's the kit with installation, alignment, and tax. So this is only until we sell out of this kit. It's really while supplies last. There is some trimming involved in this setup. We did a McGaughys fender cap here. Gets rid of the mud flap. Trim your inner plastics here. Here, there's a bracket that sits behind there that's also been removed, and then of course the valance. Pretty standard on this one. Really, really good looking truck. Now we're gonna post this on YouTube. If y'all call me 2 years from now wanting this deal, it will not be available. I'm just gonna go ahead and give you a heads up. It's literally until we sell out of this in-stock lifts. Now, of course, I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure everybody's aware that does not include wheels and tires. That is separate. It does come with the upper arms as well. It's been storming here, so this kit is a little bit dirty after the test drive. And we've actually got another one here that we just finished up, the same kit on the 23. All right, that's it for now. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, stay tuned for more.